How to fix Stremio movie playing error not loading. Now in this video, I'm gonna show you couples of troubleshooting steps for you to be able to fix Stremio movie playing error or not even loading. Now when it comes to not loading or not buffering, it really has something to do with your internet connection. So the very first thing that you want to have to troubleshoot first is from your physical router. Have it disconnected from the power outlet and connected back in. Leave it for around 3 to 5 minutes before you stream back logged in into your Stremio app. Next thing that you want to do is to go into this Windows search and then look for your Stremio app, right click, and make sure to run it as an administrator before using it. Now go into the Stremio settings, general, scroll down until you go into advanced option. Now, if you're playing any movies on Stremio and is using a different player, then make sure that it is selected properly. If it is disabled, then it will really not load or not buff. And those are the things that you can do for you to fix Stremio movie playing error not loading.